Tether Tools Pro Tethering Kit Essentials. This one's the smaller Aero Traveler, not the larger one, and those are the specs right there of each one. But as far as the accessories go, these are the same accessories that I believe come in no matter what size tray you get. And it's going to look like this with a cup of coffee. Previously, before this, I was using a drum hardware table that I just repurposed for putting laptops on for my tethering. And then not too long ago, I got a Matthews tray, which is this right here in this nice package, which it came in very simple design. It just has a 3/8 on the bottom, and then they just bolted that to this tray here. And then these slits here could be used for airflow, but then also you could run Velcro strips or any kind of thin lining rope, and then to weigh down on your laptop. I think you can also use this for projectors if you want to use this for projectors. And this is very lightweight, simple. The one thing I didn't was not as versatile with this is the back here is only 3/8. This one comes with a bracket where you can attach it to light stands and Arca Swiss tripods. So I'm going to unbox this and check it out. Okay, I just unboxed it here. Here's the Aero table, and it comes with a nice little mat here that adds, so it has anti-slip that you could remove. On the bottom, clear bottom. Yeah, just like a dinner tray. Not as lightweight as the Manfrotto, but good size, good weight. Here's the bag that it fits in, and I hope all the accessories will fit into this bag, travel bag. These ones came packaged. This one is a little strap to put, either to strap in a hard drive or a power brick if you have a bigger MacBook Pro. And then this is, what is this? A tether guard. So this is attaches to the table, and it provides so that your tether does not pull on the port. This looks like the strap to strap down and secure the computer. Here's the cup holder for the coffee. This looks like it connects underneath the table, and I guess I have to mount this, but this is there's some padding here. So this is if you want to stash a hard drive, like one of those G Suite G drives. That's what it looks like it holds. And then here is that multiple mount that makes all of this happen. So this one, it comes with some screws there and a wrench. So I got to screw this on the bottom of the table. And then once I do that, so I have this big one here that's for light stands. Then I have a 3/8 and a 1/4-20. And then this right here also should accept Arca Swiss. So I can put this on an Arca Swiss head. Way versatile. I wish if the Manfrotto had this, then it could really compete. This is the only thing, this piece right here is really what separates all of these other tables from Tether Tools. How come nobody else makes this? Come on. Come on, manufacturers. Why can't you just make this? If you just made this piece, you could modify that and just get a regular plywood at Home Depot and then make it into a table and not have to spend $350 or however much this cost. I'll put a link to this at the bottom if you want to get this Tether Tools brand and have really I think the nicest type of tethering, laptop tethering. But you're paying for it. This was, I think, $350 if not more, and I got the smaller travel table too. Okay, I'm mounting all these things on here. I just screwed in that part, the base, and then these right here, these are actually hooks that slide into the edge, and I could use this to hook in extra cables or headphones. I like this, how cute it is, but If I'm using this for years, this is probably going to break. Oh, and on this side, here's the cup holder. It's fairly stable. I like the design. So it's not going to tip over once you... That's pretty secured in. I don't know how long the longevity of that's going to last, but that's there too. These two I'll use later. I'm not going to plan on putting the whole setup now with that. But I am struggling with this one here. So I could put it on the edge, but then there's nothing to hold this down. So I think I have to screw this here. I have to unscrew this and then fit it all in one piece. I think that's how it goes. So that could be a project for me later. Here's my MacBook Air M2. Oh yeah, really nice. Nice and sturdy. Now if I could compare this to the Matthews, here's the Matthews tray. The Matthews tray is smaller than the Aero here. Can I use the same mat? No, even the mat's bigger. So if you want a smaller footprint, I guess you could use the Matthews. Okay, so here's what the bottom looks like. So it's right here. Here's how that's how the cup holder works. So you can see there's a lot of leverage here. So even though you have a heavy cup, it won't fall over because of the design. But this is this piece here. So this was for the light stands, quarter 20 and a 3/8, and then right here you can put the Arca Swiss. So you could use this you can angle it, whereas the other one you couldn't angle it. And that's one of the reasons why I got the smaller one instead of the larger tray, because when the tray's that large, I don't know if an Arca Swiss tripod could hold it, or at least the ones that I'm traveling with. I'm not getting a big one. I'm just getting a small one. But there you go. Oh, you know what? Let's see one last thing. Let me see how this fits in the bag. Okay, so it fits with the mounting. So even if I put on this piece, it'll all still fit in this travel bag. So that's nice. Great.